This is what happens to your body when you add turmeric to your lemon water in the morning. Lemon water is an extremely beneficial beverage, but if you add turmeric to it, you will get a miraculous healing drink. This drink will rejuvenate your body and provide lots of energy. If you make it a habit and drink a glass of lemon water with some turmeric every morning, you will gain numerous benefits. Turmeric has been used for centuries as a natural method to improve overall health, and its amazing health benefits have been scientifically confirmed. Moreover, it does not cause the side effects of the commercial, synthetic drugs. To be more concrete, turmeric has been found to be useful in the treatment of at least 160 health issues. It has potent anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, and being a powerful antioxidant, it also fights against free radicals. Turmeric effectively treats more issues simultaneously, and even if the ones which are resistant to conventional therapies. Turmeric is a vital part of the Indian cuisine, and besides its health benefits, it provides a specific flavor and aroma as well. Therefore, if you add it to your lemon water, you will improve its benefits. The lukewarm water helps digestion, and the lemon cleanses the liver. Hence, the added turmeric will enhance this drink by 10 times, making it a morning elixir that will restore your health and well-being, and support all the body functions. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon, which will balance blood sugar levels, and strengthen the anti-inflammatory effects of the drink. Also, this drink will provide a feeling of satiety which will last long and help you lose excess body weight. These are some of the most important health benefits of this amazing drink. Turmeric can prevent the high blood sugar spikes related to diabetes as it helps the body to properly process ingested sugars. It helps the body break down dietary fat right after consuming it, as it raises the bile flow. It promotes weight loss and cleanses the body of toxins. Due to the potent anti-inflammatory properties, it prevents degenerative brain disorders linked to aging, such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Treats chronic constipation, and boosts the energy levels. Turmeric enhances the function of the liver and allows the body to break down dietary and environmental toxins. It stimulates the production of bile by the gallbladder, as well as other components which support proper food digestion. Its strong antimicrobial properties strengthen immunity and boost digestion, and prevent common colds and coughs. You should consume this drink while it is warm. This inexpensive and natural beverage will provide amazing health benefits, so make sure you drink it every morning.